beneath the surface of our planet's oceans, sunlight fades and darkness prevails. Down in these hidden realms lies a world that glows with its own mysterious light, a world illuminated by the enchanting phenomenon of bioluminescence. Here, life has evolved to thrive in perpetual night, and countless creatures, from tiny plankton to formidable predators, create their own light shows, using chemistry for survival, communication, and allure. Bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by living organisms, a marvel of nature that has evolved independently across many different species. In the ocean, it is especially prevalent. In fact, it's estimated that up to 90% of deep-sea creatures possess some form of bioluminescence. This light is generated through a chemical reaction. The molecule luciferin reacts with oxygen in the presence of the enzyme luciferase, releasing energy in the form of visible light. The result is an ethereal glow that can be blue, green, or even red, depending on the organism and its habitat. Why is bioluminescence so common in the ocean? The answer lies in the unique challenges and opportunities of this environment. Light from the sun penetrates only a few hundred meters below the surface. Below that, in the mesopelagic and bathypelagic zones, sometimes called the twilight and midnight zones, darkness reigns. Here, bioluminescence becomes an essential tool for survival. One of the most iconic bioluminescent creatures is the anglerfish. Dwelling in the inky blackness thousands of meters below the surface, the anglerfish has evolved a remarkable adaptation, a long filament extending from its head, tipped with a glowing lure. This lure is home to symbiotic bacteria that produce light. In the featureless void, prey animals are attracted to the soft glow, mistaking it for a small, easy meal. As they approach, the anglerfish's massive jaws snap shut, and the hunt is complete. This is just one example of how light can become a weapon in the darkness. But not all bioluminescent displays are about predation. Some creatures use their glow for defense. The deep-sea squid is a master of misdirection. When threatened, it ejects a cloud of glowing ink, confusing predators and making a clean escape. Similarly, certain species of shrimp and copepods release bursts of light to startle attackers, buying precious seconds to flee. For other animals, bioluminescence is a tool for communication. Lanternfish, named for their glowing bodies, use intricate patterns of light to signal to others of their kind. These signals help them find mates, form schools, and possibly even coordinate migrations across vast distances. In a world without sunlight, bioluminescent flashes become a language of their own, invisible to outsiders, yet crucial for survival. Some bioluminescent creatures are so tiny and numerous that they can transform entire stretches of ocean. Dinoflagellates, a type of plankton, are among the most famous. When disturbed by waves, boats, or even a swimmer's hand, these microscopic organisms emit brief flashes of blue or green light. On certain nights, entire bays come alive with a shimmering glow, a phenomenon known as the Milky Seas. Sailors throughout history have marveled at these luminous waters, not knowing that they were witnessing the activity of billions of microscopic life forms. The beauty of bioluminescence is not confined to the open ocean. In coastal waters, comb jellies drift with the currents, their translucent bodies pulsing with iridescent light. As they move, tiny hair-like cilia refract light into rainbow patterns, while others emit bursts of blue or green. This light may serve to startle would-be predators or to attract mates. To swim among them is to witness a living tapestry of color and motion. The depths hold even stranger wonders. The vampire squid, with its cloak-like arms and eerie red eyes, inhabits the oxygen minimum zone, where few animals can survive. It possesses light-producing organs at the tips of its arms and along its body. When threatened, the vampire squid waves its glowing arms, creating a confusing display that distracts predators. This adaptation allows it to thrive in one of the most inhospitable environments on Earth. Some fish, like the flashlight fish, have evolved specialized organs beneath their eyes that house bioluminescent bacteria. These fish can control the intensity and duration of their light, using it to find prey, communicate, and even navigate through coral reefs at night. When startled, they can turn off their lights by covering the light organ with a flap of skin, disappearing into the darkness. Even predators use bioluminescence for deception. The cookie-cutter shark possesses glowing bands on its underside, which it uses to blend in with the faint light above, making it nearly invisible to both prey and larger predators. The shark then uses its dark, unlit throat as a lure, attracting curious fish that mistake it for a smaller animal. When they approach, the cookie-cutter shark attacks, biting out a plug of flesh and leaving its characteristic circular scar. The evolutionary arms race in the deep sea has produced an incredible diversity of light-producing adaptations. Some jellies wave glowing tentacles to attract prey, while others use light to mimic the appearance of larger animals, scaring away would-be attackers. There are even deep-sea worms that eject glowing mucus, creating a sparkling trail to distract predators. For humans, the study of bioluminescent creatures offers both inspiration and practical applications. Scientists have harnessed the genes responsible for bioluminescence to create glowing markers used in medical research, allowing us to track the processes of life at the cellular level. The natural chemistry perfected by ocean life over millions of years is now helping to advance knowledge in fields as diverse as genetics, medicine, and environmental science. But beyond its utility, the magic of bioluminescence reminds us of the vast, unexplored wonders of our planet. So much of the ocean remains a mystery, its depths filled with creatures that create light in the absence of sun. Each glowing organism tells a story of adaptation, survival, and beauty, illuminating the darkness with patterns and pulses that we are only beginning to understand. In the end, the glowing creatures of the ocean are both a scientific marvel and a testament to the creativity of life. They remind us that even in the most extreme and challenging environments, life finds a way not just to endure, but to dazzle. As we continue to explore the ocean's depths, who knows what new wonders we may discover, shining in the darkness, waiting to be seen. Hey there! If you enjoyed this video and love learning about the wonders of the ocean, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to see more amazing content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. I've got plenty more videos exploring ocean mysteries, incredible sea creatures, and everything in between. So if this kind of content excites you, check out some of my other videos. You might discover something even more fascinating. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.